So this is one of our SmartKits supplied, and the owner has taken our insulated panel roofing and then built in the piers and columns at the front here and the front beam section to really create an awesome looking feature roof. You can see those downlights up in the roof there. Now the roof is sitting on roof penetration brackets. And the roof also covers the entranceway into the house. How good are these insulated panels? What a finish. That is awesome. It's nice big bold fascia line around the outside of the house. You can see how this structure really complements the front of this house and adds a whole new dimension to covered parking area. Simple insulated flyover roof kit, completely and utterly transforming the front of this house.
At SmartKits Australia, we are your trusted online supplier of prefabricated home improvement kits for people to DIY their very own outdoor lifestyles, specifically tailored for your home. Your SmartKit arrives with everything you need: decks, patios, flyover roofs, carports and insulated roofing, all prefabricated, fully engineered and delivered anywhere in Australia. End of financial year sale ends June 30. Save thousands on your 100% Australian-made SmartKit. Build your own outdoor lifestyle with SmartKits Australia.